Hi, my friends. A little over a year ago, I was telling you all about this company called Temu and killer investment opportunity with its parent company PDD. And undoubtedly, have we seen PDD absolutely crash it in the past years? And now, as more and more people start to recognize just how amazing Temu's monetization is, I think it's the right time we need to dive a little deeper and really get into the inside scoop on this company. Hi, it's Sheila Wang here. I'm a stock analyst based in China, and I'm also trading stocks. My goal is giving the investors a different view to look at Chinese concept stocks. And if you want to get an in-depth analysis report, you can check the link below. Oh, and I'm gonna hook you up with the lowdown on why PDD is still a killer investment opportunity. So sit tight, my friends, because I'm about to break down all these juicy details for you. And today we're talking inside intel, strategic moves, and why these companies are poised to keep dominating their respective markets. So if you don't want to miss the quality stock analysis videos, don't forget to follow my channel and turn on the little bell. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss it. Temu's business model is a little like those other fast fashion platforms you've heard of, like Shein, Wish, and AliExpress. And what sets Temu apart is their killer marketing strategy. They're absolutely crushing it when it comes to grabbing attention, driving traffic, and racking up downloads. I mean, they're making global headlines, my friends. So what's their secret sauce? It all comes down to how they're connecting with their target audience. Temu is basically playing the role of the middleman, linking up Chinese sellers with buyers all around the world. And they're using some serious savvy tactics to make it all work. They're doing the whole game-based shopping things just like Pinduoduo does, where you can earn discounts and rewards by playing little mini-games. Plus, they're tapping into the power of social sharing and group buying to get their users hooked. I mean, these people are spending more time on the Temu platform compared to the other e-commerce platforms. We can see the buyers' passion and enthusiasms for this platform. And get this, Temu is also taking a page out of Shein playbooks with their reverse manufacturing model. They're using customer feedback to quickly adjust their products. That means they can pivot fast to move the ever-changing demands of the market. What's more, Temu is a whole different beast compared to Amazon, my friend. Say, while Amazon sells a ton of their own stuff, Temu is purely a third-party marketplace. And that's why the sellers love it so much. Temu takes care of all that marketing headache for them. Think about it this way. With Temu, the sellers just gonna focus on getting their products on the platform, and Temu handles the rest. The marketing, the promotions, and discounts, and the whole 9 yards. It's a hands-off approach that makes it way easier for these sellers to get their stuff in front of customers. They're so smart at this part, right? And let's talk about the platform itself. Temu is just way more user-friendly than Amazon. Amazon's got all these strict rules and requirements for their sellers, which can be a real pain to navigate. But with Temu, it's a much simpler setup. The sellers just need to get their products listed, and Temu takes care of the rest. It's no wonder these sellers are flocking to Temu. It's a win-win for everyone involved, right? And now let's take a look for their financial data. Since launching, their GMV has rocketed from a measly $2.9 million all the way up to a whopping $15 billion in 2023. And get this, they're projecting their GMV to hit $29.5 billion in 2024. That seems serious growth, my guys. Their daily GMV is already over $1.5 million, which just to show how crazy the demand is for Temu's products. And a big part of that success is thanks to their killer marketing game. They've been going all in on those Apple search advertisements using over 3,000 keywords and dropping a cool $7 million on a 30-second Super Bowl advertisement. When you look at their download numbers, it's just insane. After launching in September 2022, they started with around 440,000 downloads, but then from April to May 2023, their downloads skyrocketed by 98% to over 30 million. That's what I call explosive growth. Clearly, Temu been getting a ton of attention and is paying off big time. So in summary, Temu is absolutely killing it in the financial department. Their numbers are through the roof, and it's all thanks to their killer marketing strategy and a crazy demand for their products. Now let's talk about the issues and controversies around Temu. The low prices that has made Temu so popular, because you know what I say, you got what you pay for. And when you look at the consumer's review, you can say it's a real mixed bag. A lot of one-star reviews point to two main issues: problems with shipping and customer service, which seems to be related to the logistics companies Temu is using, and the concerns about the quality of the products. I mean, when you're offering some stuff at a price that seems too good to be true, sometimes the quality just doesn't live up to the hype. And don't forget that Temu is owned by PDD, which is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in domestic China. So they've got a solid financial foundation to build on, and they've been killing it with their innovative marketing strategy. And in domestic China, they gained a very big success. Overall, I'm pretty bullish on Temu's future. Even with all the controversy, sure, they've got some kinds to work out, but they're clearly doing a lot of right to be growing as fast as they are. And with the backing of Pinduoduo, I think they've got the resources and know how to iron out these issues, keeping delivering the goods to their customers. At last, if you want to get more detailed suggestions about investing in PDD, you'd better not miss my deep analysis, and that will make you more clever. That's all for today. See you next time, my friend.